everybody, Tina here from Tina's Coupon Swap. Another unboxing here from Smiley360, as you see. I don't think I've ever seen one in a bag like this before, so it's always usually a box. I'm not sure what's in this. Probably, I know yesterday I thought it was the Pepcid one, so that's what probably this one is. I don't know. So let's see. Yeah, I figured I could just cut into it. I didn't have to open a box. This is even kind of hard with one hand. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. So, I should have taken this out first. Sorry guys, it's been like 1 minute of me trying to open this. Alright, I can't put my phone down, so bear with me for a minute. Okay, because look, there's another freaking envelope in here. Okay, so yeah, this is definitely the Pepcid one. Pepcid mission, relieve your heartburn. Like Pepcid Complete on Facebook and share the $2 off coupon with your family and friends. So there you go, I'm sharing it with ya. Go to Pepcid Complete on Facebook. Alright, so this. Oh, I see a pen. Another envelope. Okay, but look what's in there. A pen. I love pens, so that's kind of cool. So I really suggest you go join. I'll put my link in the description box if you want to go join yourself. They're always sending really cool things. Free product. You just have to give your review and share on your social media. Alright. Trying to hold it down with my knee. Okay, so it's like going to be one sample in here. I just have a feeling. This is just... I will be putting that in my review, that, you know, you can't just get into it. What the heck? Okay, so tell me about heartburn. Who gets it? What exactly is heartburn? Why do some foods hurt? Types of relief. Fast and lasts. Alright. Get up to $13 off any one. Oh, so you have to go to the store and buy your own, and get your own bottle. So, not even a sample in here. So, Pepcid Complete. Okay, so your review. How it works. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Okay, so I guess I have to go to the store and go get my Pepcid, so that's kind of cool. So I highly suggest you go and click my link and join up for for Smiley360 yourself, and you too can start getting free products and free little swag from the companies. If you saw my video from yesterday, I got a pedometer from Caltrate, and then I've gotten so many. Seriously, it's free. Just click the link, fill out the information, join through your Facebook. Makes it so much easier when you sign in. You just click the Facebook button and it brings you right in. They put surveys. You just got to answer your surveys, and then you'll see on your home page it'll at the, you'll see where I'm saying, but on your homepage, on the bottom in the middle, it'll give you where you can answer questions and surveys to qualify for a mission. And if you qualify, like within 2 or 3 weeks, they'll send you your free things. I've gotten, I'm doing 4 reviews right now for Smiley360. A few days ago I got the spin brush. Yesterday I got Caltrate. Today I got Pepcid. And I got one more coming. And I'll show you that unboxing when I get it in the mail. So you guys have a great day. And I will see you at the next one. Bye.